What a crazy week in AI. Google just dropped a command line Gemini, HeyGen's new agent feels straight out of Black Mirror, and DeepMind might have just cracked a genetic code. From ElevenLabs' insane new voice assistant to an open-source dev tool that could change how we build, this week was absolutely packed. If you blinked, you missed it. So here's everything you need to know about this wild week in AI, broken down fast. Let's get into it. Google releases Gemini CLI, bringing AI power directly to your terminal. The open-source tool offers free Gemini 2.5 Pro access with 1 million token context for code debugging and file manipulation. HeyGen announces Video Agent, the world's first creative operating system. Just give it a prompt and it builds the story, generates voice, handles editing, and delivers publish-ready videos.
The Poppy. This isn't just any soda. It's packed with prebiotics and apples.
These 3 videos were all made from the footage I just recorded, and it took only a few minutes to create. So how does it work? I'll show you. But first, let's talk about what's really been stopping you from creating videos. Time, budget, tools, the people, or just not knowing how to turn the idea in your head into something real. There has always been something in the way. That's how it has always been until now. I want to introduce you to the world's first creative operating system, the HeyGen Video Agent. This isn't an editing tool with AI inside. This is an AI that thinks like a creative team and works like a production crew. Before Agent, most people couldn't make a single video in a week. Now, we can make an entire campaign in minutes. Use your own footage or use existing footage. Even start with a document. Just upload your file, type a prompt, and our video agent takes care of the rest. It doesn't just generate a video, it analyzes your footage, and then it plans your story around that footage. It builds the visual, select the shots, and write the script, delivering a full edited, ready-to-publish video in just minutes. The most realistic, expressive AI performer available, all powered by our Avatar 4 model, designed for marketing, storytelling, and scale. Our video agent isn't just a tool, it's a team. It's your director, scriptwriter, actor, and your editor. All you need is an idea, and our video agent brings it to life. Join the waitlist, be a part of the future of video.
Higgsfield AI releases Soul, a high aesthetic AI photo model. They released 50-plus curated presets delivering fashion-grade realism that users can pick from. DeepMind unveils AlphaGenome, breakthrough AI for understanding DNA's dark matter. It analyzes up to 1 million DNA base pairs and predicts how genetic mutations affect gene regulation.
Meet AlphaGenome, our new AI model for genomics. It is our most comprehensive and accurate DNA sequence model to date. AlphaGenome is a predictive AI model that analyzes 1 million DNA letters and makes predictions about the molecular functions of that DNA sequence. And we can use this model to also predict the effects of variants or mutations within the DNA sequence.
AlphaGenome is primarily looking at the non-coding part of the genome, which determines how much of the protein you should make. You can overproduce a certain protein, and that may cause forms of cancer, for example. We hope that researchers are going to use this tool to develop potentially new therapeutics, or they could use this tool to better understand genetic variants implicated in diseases.
By building AI models like AlphaFold, AlphaMessense, and now AlphaGenome, we're trying to build models that will help scientists and researchers understand the basis of life.
Anthropic upgrades Claude Artifacts, turning every user into a no-code app developer. You can now build AI-powered apps directly in Claude with embedded intelligence. ElevenLabs launches Eleven AI, a voice assistant that actually takes action.
Good morning,
It connects to
Jay.
Salesforce, Slack, and more to
first
handle real
meeting?
tasks like
It's in
planning your
5
day through
minutes.
voice commands.
Who's it with?
It's with your boss, Jay, for your 2025 annual evaluation performance review.
Oh, great. Email them and tell them I'll be 5 minutes late.
Email delivered.
Oh, send a heart emoji to whatever my mum sent me last night.
Heart emoji delivered.
Oh, yeah. Can you order the usual for breakfast, please?
The vegan big boy from Tony's.
Oh, yeah. I could do with that today.
Anything else I can help with, Jay?
Actually, yeah. Pull up my boss's socials.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Didn't he get a Bengal cat or something?
On the 29th, your boss posted that he adopted a Labrador.
Okay, great. Thanks, Eleven. That's perfect.
Try 11 today, your AI personal assistant from ElevenLabs.
Hey, boss.
How's the new dog?
Black Forest Labs open sources FLUX.1 Kontext for precise image editing. It's the first high-quality image editing model released without restrictions, able to run on consumer hardware. Google releases Gemma 3N, bringing multimodal AI to phones with just 2 GB or 4 GB RAM. Processes images, audio, video, and text locally for privacy-preserving AI apps that work offline.
What can I add to the system to make it faster?
Interesting question. Adding caching layers can significantly improve speed. Consider implementing a CDN or caching proxy to store frequently accessed content.
Write a super short poem that highlights her skills.
Amazing Zoe, so bright. Counting to 100, what a sight.